Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys hair from iShow Hair, and this is a 13 by 6 lace frontal, and it's a HD lace wig. It is really beautiful, and it is 22 inches, and it's in the color black. As you guys can see, the lace is literally transparent. You can literally see my fingers through. It's just not bleached, but the hair came pre-plucked. You can see the front parts where my edges would go. It's pre-plucked and really beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy seeing it installed in this vlog. What? Where's my phone? Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so pretty. Huh? Anyway guys, I have a hair appointment, so I'm getting my hair together. It's been a while, so yeah, my appointment is actually at 11. It's like 20 to 11, and the place is like, I think 25 minutes away. So if I go now, I think I'll make it on time. But anyway, I just wanted to say hi to the vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm getting my hair done at a professional. I'm getting like a professional install, and I'm gonna be looking cute. Hopefully I look different when I come back. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog it and then show you guys the whole experience, and I'll also leave a review of the salon and how I felt about it and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. Yeah. Did you make it bulky at the back?
You can proceed. Should I make it
Bulky.
It's not in one piece. It's fine. Your hair is thick.
Yeah.
Not even manage it.
I could see.
Just press here. Yeah, please.
I'm even thinking of like relaxing it. Yeah, it's so much fun.
But I later saw it. Only that I saw it later. I thought about this. Then it became.
Yeah, softer. Yeah.
But you was oh so bad. See, now I sit in my room, soak up all of my doom while I'm building my tomb. Yeah, no more drawing cartoons in my head.
So you guys, I decided to do a voiceover to talk about the whole process, as obviously I was not able to talk in the salon. I was gonna get copyrighted because they were playing music in the background. But either way, here she was just putting lace glue in the front and then aligning the lace to the front part. She used one of their products, but I think it is a ghost bond glue because it lasts really long and it's very strong.
I am the one that you've been looking for. Shine like the sun when I'm headed on tour. You'll realize and reply with bonjour. Señorita, don't wanna text me back, but I'm okay with that. Señorita, you might have set me back, but girl, I'm still on track.
And then she went ahead to cut the lace. At first she was using this really straight scissor, but then I saw she was using like a rigged scissor. It's kind of like a zigzag shape. I don't know how to explain it, but you guys know, just so that the lace is not completely straight, you want it to look a little bit realistic. Yeah, I think you guys can see it. And then she went ahead to lay my wig, and she was using one of the elastic bands from their brand. I think you guys can also buy it online. It's really good for laying wigs. I'm actually gonna look for one myself. And while the wig was laying, she proceeded to hair dry my hair to make sure that it's nice and sleek. They did bleach the knots right before this. I don't think I vlogged that part before. What I like about this services is that it's like a one-day service, so I don't have to drop off my wig the day before to get it customized and stuff like that. You can just get it on the same day, or do it and get it on the same day, if that makes sense. So yeah, here she was just straightening my hair and blow drying it to make sure that it's nice and flat and sleek. Obviously my aesthetic, you know the vibes already. So here she's just doing the final touches of the wig just before she straightens it with a flat iron. So basically she was just taking out my sideburns so she can do my edges, and look at that, it's literally so beautiful. She also used wax stick on the top, and honestly I love the effect that it has. It gives that hair that sleek look at the top, and as you guys can see I was very impressed and happy. And then she was just finishing it off with some hair mousse to do my edges in front.
So we're at Goddess Cafè right now. It is really pretty. It's giving pink, it's giving vibes. Love it. Lighting, check, drinks, clink chummy. I'm a toilet. I forget. Okay, well that's fine. You don't like them? They are a bit too much for me, but like I feel like you like them. You don't like this? Vlogging is so weird, like people look at you like you're crazy and you just have to like keep on going. It's not like in her latest vlog she was like, we need more YouTubers, but we already have. Like, don't you think we have? Especially Kobo Nabaleng, like Joburg. Like at this point I'm like really lost people. I'm not sure she's I'll bring them up. My thing is gonna switch off. Dude, the lighting is so pretty from here. I want us to take together. Most tissue good. What did you order? Is it the different? Give me low.
Main Goddess, then on this part you put normal zero.
Oh, it's zero.
Not the guest.
Yeah, on the first one.
The guest one. Just
Yeah, so like cafe, Goddess,
Yeah.
and on this one, normal.
Oh, okay.
Capital letter C, capital letter G.
Thank you. I wanted to get in the shots. Sleep. I can't get my tongue, that's all. Hey, come closer. It's not doing. Is it not doing? Okay.
Okay guys, I am finally back home. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. It was a very short vlog, very cute. Yeah, I hope I got enough content for the day, but I think it's just gonna cover about a day, like maybe 20 minutes, could be 15. I'm gonna try and make it maybe less. I don't know if you guys actually enjoy long vlogs. You guys should let me know. Oh my gosh, where is my... I have this bad habit of filming content without my mic. Okay, wait, let me just get my mic and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I got my mic back. Right now it is like 8:30 at night, so obviously at night. I just want to quickly film like some content. Alright, so I went to the salon. Wait, let me just, my skin is looking so oily. What was the reason? Guys, please recommend like a good primer for someone with oily skin. I feel like at this point I've tried almost everything. Maybe I'm lying, but like I'm kind of tired because nothing is working for me. Like my skin just be looking oily. I just think it's just like that, like it's just naturally oily and there's like nothing I can do at this point. So I need to film another YouTube video. It's like going to be a sit down video, and then I need to edit the vlog that I filmed today so that it can be up Sunday, and I don't want to film it in a rush. If not up Sunday, on Wednesday at least. But I'm trying a vlogging schedule, either upload on Wednesdays or Sundays or both. I don't know if both is going to be possible for now, but I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, you guys, the salon oh sorry, the salon that I went to was called SarHap Salon. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The service was great. The hair, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the service that they gave me, the quality of my hair. This hair is from iShowHair that I bought like literally, when was it, like 2 months ago. I just didn't put it in. I don't know why. I wanted to do braids and I was contemplating, but I was like, no, I have a wig that I haven't installed, so I was like, let me go and install it. And yeah, I'm really happy with the install, the way they did it, the technique. the products that they used were also good. So yeah, I'm a happy girl, no complaints. Yeah, no complaints from my side. The only thing, I think they might have over bleached it here in the middle, but it's like I have to take my head down to see it. But like when I'm chilling like this, you can't really see it, but if I do that, then you see it there. So I don't know, but at least it's not too much, because if it was a lot, I was gonna be like, no, you guys need to make a plan, you know. But yeah, service, I'd give them like a 7 out of 10. If you want to go there, you have to make a booking first. I don't think there's walk-ins, I'm actually not sure. And yeah, I'm a happy girly. Like, you guys know I love black hair, long, sleek, straight. This one is a 22 inch if I'm not mistaken. It seems shorter than a 22 inch actually. Next time I think I'm gonna get a 26, because these inches just be looking tiny. Anyway, guys, let me get started with the video that I want to film. I feel like my skin still looks oily. Okay, it looks a little bit better now, but like, okay, wait, let me do this. This is the only powder that actually makes my skin look less oily. Personally, like this Maybelline setting, look at that, it looks mad. Like, I love glowy skin, but I don't like shine. Look at the difference between the side and the side. So this powder is definitely the one. Shame, I don't wanna lie. Better. I really hate shine. Like, at this point, I don't even think it's the foundation, it's definitely the primer that I'm using. Okay, let me close up the vlog, you guys. I keep talking so much. I still have a video to film and stuff to edit, so it's gonna be a long night for me. Anyway, thank you guys for watching the vlog. I hope you really enjoyed it. It was nice, short and cute. If you guys want more vlogs coming through, please do like this video, comment down below, give it a thumbs up, already said that, and subscribe to my channel so that when I do upload a new video, you guys can know about it and yeah, be notified or whatnot. Anyway, let me get going started, and I'll see you guys. Yo, I made a mess, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.